What is up, YouTube? Wow, I am super excited. My developer just came back with my new software, and it ties in perfectly with what I want to tell you about today. Um, Basically, it's a traffic app which is going to blow your mind. I literally just finished getting everything set up. Even the logo isn't done yet. My logo designer is supposed to get back to me later today with a new logo. And the cool thing is you can't buy this software at any price. It's not for sale, at least not yet. It will be probably later on down the road, thinking that we're going to be starting it at like $17, possibly $20, something like that. Probably in a few months' time, it'll be available for sale. For the basic version, obviously, there's going to be upgrades available as well. But you can get it for free as a bonus. And I'm going to tell you all about it. It's coming right up in my review of Hotshott. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull it successfully. Well, me by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be stale as well. Me saying that my jokes can be stale or something every single time I make one of these videos. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products, and they make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, really, it's enough already. Come on, give it a break. Seriously, give it a break, okay? Guys, something else. Can't seem to come up with a new line. Anyway, but seriously, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. Who could be angry at her? She's a sweetheart. Anyhow, if you are new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now at the sales page for the Hotshott software. It's Hotshott with 2 T's, hotshott.net with 2 T's. And so this software is from my friend Art Flair. Now, Art is a major marketer, one of the biggest names in Warrior Plus these days. He's got like 51 deals of the day to his name. So you know that he's been doing something right. Now, the Hotshott software is specifically designed to help you to get traffic off of Instagram. Okay, and I know what you're thinking, oh my God, not another Instagram software. Eric, please. I've seen enough of these Instagram software. This one is really cool though. And I have the most amazing bonus you're ever going to hear of for this particular piece of software. Okay, so the software is going for 17 bucks. All right, now here's the cool thing. For your $17, you're not just getting access to Hotshott. You're also getting access to my brand new Social Viral Club. Social Viral Club is my brand new software. I literally just got it back yesterday, and I've been playing with it all morning. I haven't even made the training video yet. Even the logo isn't done yet. I just put a temporary logo in just because I'm going to give it away as a bonus today. The new logo should be ready probably by this evening, maybe tomorrow morning. My designer came up with a really cool logo for it, which is going to be switched in. Right now, it's just got a temporary logo, which looks like crap, but and no comments from you, Bart. But seriously, it's got a temporary logo in there, and I haven't even had a chance to make the training videos yet because it's so brand new. But it's a very, very slick app. You're really going to love it. I'm going to show you both of them. I do want to tell you about my other bonus, because if you don't have an Instagram account already, it can be kind of hard to grow one naturally. So I'm also going to show you how I was able to purchase an Instagram account for very little money and actually use that as a bridge to start building things up. Now, if you pick up any upgrade, you see, well, let me show you Social Viral Club. Okay, so here, this is Social Viral Club. This is my software. And we're going to take a look at Hotshott in just a second. I'll show you that as well. but I want you to see this because there's various features that I haven't seen anybody else doing that I am super excited about here in Social Rock Club. You see this ugly logo here. That's going to be changed out to a really cool looking logo once my logo designer finishes it. I asked for a small change because I wanted to well, whatever. You'll see what you'll see when the logo is ready. Basically, I just the logo looks really cool, but I wanted the name to be socialviral.club because that's the user the whatchamacallit, the URL for it. Anyhow, so here's the deal. So when you purchase Hotshott, you get free access to the Social Viral Club software. There's 3 different levels, technically 4 different levels of Social Viral Club. You'll be able to sign up for the trial level. Anybody can sign up for a trial. It's a 7-day trial. Okay, that's going to be open for anybody to sign up for. But when you sign up for it, you're going to be able to send an email to my support staff. They'll switch you to the permanent version, which gives you unlimited access forever. Okay, you just got to ask for it. And I mean, basically, technically, we do have to set a time limit, but we set you to like the year 2099. So I figure if you're still using it in the year 2099, then, and my grandchildren or great grandchildren are still running the business, then we'll worry about it in, like 80 years or so. But in the meantime, basically you get unlimited access to the software. It's going to be available for you for forever. Now, the basic version is going to give you access to Facebook automation, including a chatbot for Facebook. A chatbot that actually works for Facebook Messenger. Okay, but if you pick up any upgrade, you're going to get additional features for Facebook. Pick up any 2 upgrades, you get the ultimate, or I think we call it the expert version of Social Viral Club. Okay, basically the expert version gives you access to everything you're going to see here. So you see, obviously we have comment automation. You can leave comments on Facebook. And again, you can also do that here on Instagram. And this is something that Hotshott does have as well, although Hotshott has some other features that are cool that you don't have with Social Viral Club. Okay, but check this out. You also have the Messenger bot, which is going to be included for free with the basic version of Social Viral Club. Okay, but you're also going to have this email autoresponder feature where you can do all this kind of stuff. That's going to be in the expert version only. So you're going to be able to add additional stuff there. Okay, and then basically what you're going to have here is you can also do different kinds of accounts. Whoops, haven't set up a Facebook account yet, so just bear with me. But basically, you'll be able to set up all different kinds of accounts here. So social posting. Okay, so check this out. You're going to be able to add in accounts from Twitter. Okay, you can add in accounts from Instagram, from Facebook, in order to be able to automatically post things. You can click here for import social accounts. Okay, you can see Twitter accounts, LinkedIn accounts, Blogger, Reddit, WordPress, okay, or your own WordPress site, and Medium accounts. You can import all these accounts and actually auto post comments to these accounts. I'm going to recommend that you post it in a certain way. I'll explain that to you in the bonus stock for Hotshott. Don't just post spammy comments because they'll just get you deleted. But there is a way to actually post comments that's actually going to get you a lot of traffic. It's the same method that I suggested a while back to use with YouTube. It works for pretty much anything, but you have to do it in a certain way. And I'm going to explain to you how that works. I'm going to post the same content about how that actually works in a separate in the doc in order to show you how to really use this thing so that it's going to actually be very, very valuable to you. And again, you do have the Messenger bot, you have comment automation on all kinds of different things. You can set up a template for comments as well. So you can actually make comments that actually sound like they actually make sense, okay, as opposed to something that sounds like gibberish, because a lot of people do that. You set up all kinds of automations here as well. So it's a really, really cool app. And again, there's 3 different levels. You have, well, technically 4. You have the trial version, which everybody can sign up for. Okay, the trial version only gives you 7 days. Once you sign for the trial version, you're going to send an email to my support staff. They'll upgrade you to the level that you're entitled to. So if you purchased just the front end of Hotshott, you're entitled to the basic, to the bonus level, I believe we called it, or basic level. And that gives you unlimited access. Basically, you'll be running through the end of the century. If you pick up any any upgrade to Hotshott, you get access to the advanced level of Social Viral Club, which is going to give you additional features. And if you pick up any two upgrades to Hotshott, you're going to get access to the Social Viral Club Expert Edition, which is basically every single feature unlocked for you. Now, I have something really, really special. For those of you, and I had to work with my developer to get this set up because he hasn't done it yet, but I wanted to get this set up for you. For those of you who actually go ahead and purchase the entire funnel of Hotshott, and again, this is not set up yet, so I have to have my developer set this up for me. Hopefully it'll be ready soon. In the meantime, I have a workaround that I will make available for those who do pick up the entire funnel of Hotshott. Okay, but if you pick up the entire funnel of Hotshott, you're going to have access. Ultimately, the plan is for you to have your own sign-up page that your customers can come in and sign up for Social Viral Club, and you can actually sell it or give it away as a bonus or whatever. You'll be able to give away the bonus level as your own bonus. So you'll have access to that, to my software, to give it away as your own bonus. You're going to be able to give it away. Now, the plan is that I'm going to have your own sign-up page. Right now, there's a workaround that we put together. It's a bit clumsy, but it'll do the job until my developer finishes setting that up so that you have your own sign-up page. The plan is for you to have your own sign-up page that you can give it away as a bonus or use it as a lead magnet, whatever it is. You'll have access to the bonus level of Social Viral Club if you pick up every single upgrade of the entire funnel in Hotshott. So let's take a quick look at the Hotshott app. You can see here they have the training, and then they have a bunch of different sections here. There's generate traffic. Under generate traffic, you can actually go ahead and do a search for specific things that you are looking for. So for example, you could search for make money online, or you could search for weight loss, or whatever it is. They also have an auto poster. They can automatically post to your Instagram account. You obviously have to log in with Instagram or do that. I didn't want to do that because this is a shared account, but you can do that with this thing. Again, Social Viral Club has something a little bit similar, but this is a bit different. And this is a feature that I really liked a lot, the funnel builder, where you can basically create your own funnels for capturing emails. And they have a whole bunch of different things. You can use any of these options and you'll be able to use the funnel to give these things away. Okay, there are a whole bunch of bonuses included as well with Hotshott. You can see here, these are all additional bonuses. This is a really cool book, Expert Secrets. This is by Russell Brunson. I have this book. I love this book. It's one of my favorites. Okay, you can see here, Durable is available. That's one of my products, so you can get that as well. There's a whole bunch of things here that you get for free as additional bonuses when you sign up for Hotshott. But that's basically what you're going to be getting. You're going to get all of these things, plus you get the Social Viral Club. That's really important. Nobody else has this. Nobody else can sell it to you. I'm not selling it to you. I'm only giving it as a bonus right now. Probably in about 2 or 3 months, once I've had my developer add some features, I've put together the training videos and all that kind of good stuff, then we will go ahead and actually do a proper launch for this. But for the time being, you can get this only as a bonus. And again, you can sign up. Anybody can go to the socialviral.club to sign up for the trial. The trial doesn't give you anything though. Okay, the trial basically just gives you a username. Okay, what you really want is the bonus level, which you're going to get as a bonus when you sign up for Hotshott through me. You get, you simply send an email to my support staff. They will upgrade you to the bonus level. You pick up any upgrade to Hotshott, you get access to the advanced level. Pick up any 2 upgrades, you get access to the expert level. Pick up the entire funnel, and we will actually give you your, eventually, once it's ready. And in the meantime, like I said, we have a workaround for this, your own sign up page where people can sign up specifically for your level and only your level, and you'll be able to give that away as a free bonus. We have there is a way that we're working on implementing. It's just not done yet. So in the meantime, we have a workaround for that. And once it's done, you know, anybody who is entitled to that, we will be contacting them to let them know, hey, here's your sign up page. Just give this out. This is your own personal sign up page. Nobody else uses this thing, and you'll have your own sign up page to be able to sign up. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to give a tip my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man.
Well, yeah, that was obvious, right? I mean, you the man. Look, seriously, I love anything that can give access to more traffic. And I realize there's a lot of traffic apps on the market. A lot of them don't do what they say. That's why I test the stuff that I get that I use. I also tested my own software. It works. It does what it says it's supposed to do. It's really, really cool stuff. And between the two, you're basically going to get enormous amounts of free traffic from a variety of different places that you simply cannot get anywhere else. And again, I'm showing you how to do comments correctly so that you don't end up looking spammy. There's a particular way of doing it that is going to look really, really good, but you have to do it the way I tell you to do it, and then you're really going to get a lot out of it. So go ahead and grab this one. This one you're going to love.